Here's a short little problem to help you with number 46. I know a couple of people came in and were struggling a bit with those prefixes on those units. So this is not the same problem, but it'll help you because the steps are very similar. So let's say we have 2.61 megameters per femtosecond squared. And the question is basically, how would we express this in SI units? So I'll go to clean page. I'm going to write this a little bit differently. Again, writing the units as a fraction without the slant will help with unit conversions. Let's tackle the megameters first. We want to convert megameters to meters. So if we want to get rid of the megameters, we put those in the denominator. 1 megameter is 1 times 10 to the 6th meters. And then look to see what happens with the units. Megameters cancels with megameters, and we're left with meters in the numerator. Next up, we have the femtoseconds to deal with. So 1 femtosecond is equal to 1 times 10 to the minus 15th seconds. And making progress, because femtoseconds cancels with femtoseconds, but be careful, because this is squared. And that basically means we just have to do that again. 1 femtosecond is equal to 1 times 10 to the minus 15th seconds. And now we have femtoseconds squared in the numerator, femtoseconds squared in the denominator, and so they will cancel. What's left is actually figuring out what this number is. Basically times 10 to the what. So in the numerator, we have 1 times 10 to the 6th times 1 times 1. That leaves us with 1 times 10 to the 6th in the numerator. And then in the denominator, we have 1 times 10 to the minus 15th times 1 times 10 to the minus 15th. When you have times 10 to whatever, and you're multiplying two values, you add those exponents. So we end up with 1 times 10 to the minus 30 in the denominator. Now we've got two numbers, times 10 to the minus 6 divided by times 10 to the minus 30, and when you have a quotient, you take the difference. So basically, just looking at the exponents, we've got 6 minus a minus 30, which is 36. So our answer then is 2.61 times 10 to the 36 meters per second squared. Main point, watch out for these types of units where you've got a term that's squared or cubed, especially if it's volume, like centimeters cubed. Then you've got to do this business not twice but 3 times.